So Henry, what do you think of the transplant?
I feel great. That's one of the best experiences I've ever had in my life.
He's 45 years old and 9 months ago had a hair transplant at FUE Hair. This is what he looked like pre-op. You can see that he had a Norwood 4 pattern with balding of the interior one half of the scalp. And you can see the area that was transplanted. We can show him now at 9 months post-transplant. You can see he has a very good hair growth, and this is a very natural hairline, and it's very good density for 9 months. Turn the other way, please. It's very natural. And chin down, please. And you can see here, this is his hair. And turn around, please. And here you can see chin down, please. This is the donor area. Henry, what do you think of the transplant?
I feel great. That's one of the best experiences I've ever had in my life.
When did the hair begin to grow back after the transplant?
I would say probably a month.
As early as a month?
Yeah, a month and a half maybe.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
so new growth.
And it's continued to grow, right?
Overall, yeah, it was persistent growth. There was a little bit of up and down initially, but then it was persistent growth afterwards.
And how has it been received by your friends and family and colleagues?
Oh, they were all amazed. They're asking me whether you've done your job, your job.
And what's your advice to somebody looking to do a hair transplant?
I'm going to tell them to do what I've done. Come see you.
What do you think this has done for your self-confidence and perspective in life and outlook?
Oh, of course, yeah. I'm sure everyone agrees that when you get what you expect, you will always be delighted and confident about your look, and not just your look, you're actually yourself as a person. Absolutely.